These types of transition videos are flooding the internet right now. But have you ever wondered how people actually created them? If not, don't worry, because I am here to guide you step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to Friends with AI, the place where we learn AI tools in simplest way possible. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create these amazing transition videos using AI in an easy, beginner-friendly method. So make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple AI tutorials. So guys, to generate this video, we need a powerful prompt. I have already generated one prompt using ChatGPT, which you can find in the video description. So the first step, download that prompt and continue with me. So as you can see, that prompt is divided into 3 sections: first image, second image, and one video prompt. And in that scenario, our object is a hamburger. If you want to generate any other object, you just need to change this hamburger text to your desired object. So now I'll copy the first image prompt and we'll paste it in LM Arena. As I already mentioned in previous video also, LM Arena is very powerful tools, and here you can access all the premium AI model for free. For now we are using Nano Banana Pro. As you can see guys, it has generated one high quality hamburger with black background. Now we'll generate our second image. So for that, I'll simply copy our second prompt and paste it in LM Arena. As you can see guys, our second image is ready and it has beautifully pointed all the ingredient name. Now we will add interaction between two images. For that we'll be using Google Flow. So in Google Flow, we'll select frame to video, and in the first frame we'll add our first image, and in the second frame we'll add our second image. And now we'll copy the video prompt from our document and paste it in Google Flow and hit enter. As you can see guys, it has beautifully generated our video. So let's take another example, and now we'll change this hamburger to samosa. As I told you earlier, you don't need to change the whole prompt, you just need to change the object name. So again, we'll copy our first image prompt, and this time we'll be using Gemini. So in Gemini, we'll select create image and we'll paste our prompt. As you can see guys, we got our first image ready. Like the same way, we'll paste our second prompt and hit generate. And our second image is also ready. Now in the Google Flow, we'll select frame to video, and in the first frame we'll upload our first image, and in the second frame we'll add our second image. And now we'll simply copy the video prompt and paste it in Google Flow. As you can see guys, Flow has generated a beautiful video. It introduced a smooth transition between two images. So that's the complete process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. On this channel, I have discovered many practical AI tips, tricks and easy tutorials. So make sure to subscribe and stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.